Welcome to Plan Design. We will see this very wonderful villa design, ground floor and first floor. Very wide. Lift, number of 5 bedroom first floor, office and library room, everything in very much possible way and very much wide way. So we will start this from here. So this is our entrance. This is going first floor. This column 600 by 720, and this is main entrance 490 by 500. We are getting this side majlis 976 by 700 centimeter, and this side our dining 800 by 1050. This is our dining storage. This is small pantry 300 by 359, and this is bathroom 300 by 250. This for design purpose, outside design purpose 250 by 180. And this is our backside entrance. This all car parking area 600 by 680. Two number of car we can park there. This is lobby backside entrance 270 by 420. This is lift, and this is stair, wonderful stair for first floor. We will see this side, this very wide living area 810 by 590, more than that. And this side our dressing and guest room 600 by 650, and this is our bathroom 400 by 300 centimeter. This all glass, continue glass. This sliding door for, and this playroom 830 by 600 centimeter, and this 590 by 540. This dining area. This is our washroom, toilet, and this side we have kitchen 400 by 550. You can see here this backside entrance. If we are accessing from back side, we can quick access through kitchen. And this parking area, number of 4-way entrance. This side also entrance, and this side also entrance, and this is from sliding door. This side also entrance. From 4 side we have entrance. This is our main entrance. This wonderful floor plan you can see here. This is for first floor service stair. So the ground floor plan you can see here, column, door, window, everything arranged in very much accurate and very much possible way. We will see this first floor plan. First floor plan we are getting here, and this is our bedroom 1 830 by 600 centimeter. This is our full dress area 570 by 480. This is our bathroom 300 by 400 centimeter. This side our again dress room we are accessing here, and this dressing and this bedroom 2 680 by 580, and this is dressing 490 by 570, and this 400 by 350. This attached bathroom. So this number of 2 bedroom this side, and you can see here this is our wide open area, open slab, full open slab 600 by 1230. Then again this side we are getting bedroom 3, our entrance from here. This our dressing area 480 by 580, 485. This attached bathroom 390 by 300, and we are getting our bedroom here, bedroom 3 600 by 650. So this very wide bedroom, very wide. Now our grand bedroom is here. This is our dress area, and this wide dress area. Inside you can see this design. So in center we provided that wall 790 by 220 this side. Then we are getting, this is our master bedroom 710 by 800 centimeter, and this is balcony 180. This attached bathroom. This OTS for shaft and for sanitary pipe. This side our hot tub. So this is our office entrance 500 by 520. This is our balcony. and here also our balcony. So this first floor, number of 4 bedroom and 1 office and very wide hall in center. This is very wide hall. And ground floor we have 1 guest bedroom and wide dining, play area, wide majlis hall, living. So this first floor and ground floor plan. Door everywhere provided 2 meter and entrance door 180 and main door 2 meter and single leaf door 100 centimeter. You can see here this our everywhere bathroom window and this room, guest room, all side window have been provided. This toilet for ventilation, this side kitchen. So this wonderful floor plan you can see here. First floor everything same. Mostly every bedroom having 2 bedroom 3 bedroom having wonderful balcony. One is here and one is here, one is here. So you can see here. So this wonderful floor plan. If you got this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.